2023 Kia Sportage. With less than 31,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!